What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you why everything is in red right now. On top of that, I will show you one realistic forecast and two unreal forecasts for this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next from the technical standpoint. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. Let me switch to hourly time frame and let me show you that I made my previous video right here. At this point, when we hit this white line, it is a 200 exponential moving average, and I've told you that it might be a very good support, and on top of that it was the confluence range with 0.786 Fibonacci extension level, and it is the extension of the A wave projected from the B wave. And this range holds, as you can see. We hover for several sessions above this range, but then eventually we broke this 200 exponential moving average. And what should we expect next from the technical standpoint, I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let me show you that on my right side of the screen you can see that everything is in red right now, and this is the real reason why we have red markets. Fed officials plan to shrink the balance sheet by $95 billion a month, meeting minutes indicate. And the key points are following. Fed officials reached consensus at their March meeting that they would begin reducing the central bank balance sheet by $95 billion a month, likely beginning in May. There also were strong indicators that half percentage point or 50 basis point interest rate increases are ahead. And let me quote you this. Officials generally agreed that a maximum of $60 billion in treasuries and $35 billion in mortgage-backed securities would be allowed to roll off, phased in over 3 months and likely starting in May. That total would be about double the rate of the last effort from 2017 to 2019 and represent a part of a historic switch from ultra-easy monetary policy. In addition to balance sheet talk, officials also discussed the pace of interest rate hikes ahead, with members leaning toward more aggressive moves. Many participants noted that one or more 50 basis point increases in the target range could be appropriate at future meetings, particularly in inflation pressures remained elevated or intensified, the minutes said. And definitely it was the main reason why we have huge bearish pressure on markets. And let me show you that all of the indexes are in red. Dow Jones lost about 0.42%, Nasdaq lost about 2.22%, and S&P 500 lost almost 1% during last session. Definitely it is a huge bearish pressure, but I have to say that in my opinion nothing has changed fundamentally. So with this news we don't have any fundamental changes in the Federal Reserve's policy, and definitely we were expecting some kind of hawkish steps towards these numbers. And definitely in my opinion yesterday's red market won't last for a long time, because we have at least 1 month until next federal meeting where we will see their real decision and where we will see the interest rate hikes and the reducing of federal balance sheet. So, and let me show you some news related directly to Alibaba. First of all, let me show you that Citigroup on March the 6th reduced its price target from $200 to $177, and it is almost 60% of upside potential for this asset. And let me show you in details this forecast. Citi analyst Alicia Yap lowered the price target of Alibaba Group Holding to $177 from $200 and kept a buy rating on the shares. Amid the widening spread of COVID cases and the city lockdowns, the analyst thinks overall economic activities in China have been negatively affected, which has drained Alibaba's profit growth. Yap notes the COVID impact will drag into Q1 and possibly delay the recovery trend. Alibaba has also likely showed investment subsidies given cost optimization efforts across internet peers. Chinese stocks also sold off following a strength from a potential rule change that would allow Chinese companies to share sensitive data with US regulators. And I have to say that this forecast of $177, in my opinion, the most real forecast for now, because we have two more forecasts. One of them is from Jefferies, and they set a price target to $276, and the second one is right here from JPMorgan, and they increased its price target to $75, and their previous price target was let me show you, was $65. And I have to say that these two price targets, I don't want to dive deep into their details because they are unrealistic. And let me show you in my technical analysis why I think so. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, $75 is roughly this range, the lowest point so far, and it is the lowest point since 2016, I guess. And definitely this low price section cannot hold for a long time because the fundamental numbers becomes very low. For example, PE ratio at this point was lower than 15, and definitely for this type of companies, even if you compare with their cash on hands, $75 is an unrealistic target. And let me show you another price target. Let me switch to daily time frame and let me show you $275. It is right here, and in my opinion we have this harsh movement to the downside, and it lasts about 400 days, and in a matter of 1 year I don't think that we might reach this target. In my opinion, more realistic target is right here, and it is $177, and it is exactly the same price target that Citi set for this company, and definitely, in my opinion, by the end of this year we might hit this target. So, and let me show you the bigger picture of this asset. Let me switch to monthly time frame and let me turn off all of the indicators. Right here, as you can see, we have the highest volume with this latest candle, and this volume implies a huge opportunity for institutional investors to re-enter their position, because this candle implies very bullish sign of trend reversal, because we have very long movement to the downside, and then at the very bottom we have this hammer candle that usually shows that bullish pressure becomes more powerful and it pushes the price higher. And definitely we closed this candle not exactly at the top of this week, but still this candle is very bullish, and in my opinion the ranges of about $110 and below is very attractive ranges for you to enter your position for the long term with this company. And let me show you the smaller picture. And right here, let me show you that we have following levels. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top, and as you can see right here, for those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you know that 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is only 1 wave on a greater scale. This means that we can project the retracement from the very bottom to the very top because we completed all 5 waves. And here are these levels. As you can see, we have the confluence of $105 with $104 of 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and it is the range one-to-one extension of the wave A projected from the top of the B wave, and it is the most probable range of ABC correction, but still we have decent chances to go lower on some bearish news related to BABA, and that is why the ranges of $104 and $98 might be your next accumulation points if we will go this low. So I think from a technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this